This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
And the cab, say yeah. Nura office one always sawano, always sawano, always okay. Yeah, you kakra.
Well, we can't accept defeat. We can't accept draw. You always have to win. We are from Xavi Hernandez Cruz, the current coach of Barcelona, and one of Monville at the Stadium Nou Camp. Nasema Odia Tujano. This is a true legend. A student from the La Masia and will graduate through the ranks. On the first debut in 1998 against Valencia, Abra Barcelona winning by 3-1. And from 1998, boy under coaches Bebrebe till Pep Guardiola buyer Xavi Beyin as one of the best central figures in world football. The playmaking skills, his ability to build calmly, retain play, protect play, so build it through the channels, or build it as a dominant midfielder. Obien who be in Xavi for the Spanish national team, Barcelona, at the Stadium Olimpico, at Wembley, at Belén Stadion, and he was part of the team. Frank Rijkaard, the Champions League for the first time in 14 years after 1992. Omedi or Wembley and no account. It's a case of Xavi or Barcelona, and what he achieved that said you become Diache, and he's a born Catalonian from the province of East Catalonia, and Xavi Efri into another. He's part, he understands the culture, he understands the tradition, and on what the Barcelona stand for. And then someone Odia Tujano, or Barcelona is in a team that accepts mediocrity. Results be a baby antum, they always have to win because of a big club. Unfortunately for him, baby Ojinane. Obetim their supporters and him say Sana was a supporters and be expecting from him. But unfortunately, Xavi played with the very best of players in Barcelona. Deco, Edmilson, Ronaldinho de Assis Moreira Gaucho, David Villa, Samuel Eto'o, Ludovic Villa, Lionel Messi, Thierry Henry Daniels, Andres Lujan Iniesta, Daniel Alves and the likes. And the same story no team in Barcelona with the current regime and the current crop of players. He played under Louis van Gaal team now. Almost years to say the current trend here. But Xavi knows Barcelona supporters they want grade A performance. Ocean Ejuma Hakoye no our side. Any Ejuma or Deba Barcelona ya said you. Open to Boise Eddie Ama Xavi. But then some now Okano. Then some that they call for patience, that they call for time for him to build up. Now Barcelona nya de omo pa because already message what to their church supporters and say omo nyi defeat ntum omo nyi draw ntum, they always have to win. You are playing against Benfica, you are playing against Bayern Munich, and our setters have to their church supporters. And the Barca and Real Madrid 10 points the door muntem, Barca and Real Sociedad 11 points the door muntem. The first game of Bebono or against Espanyol, a derby, a Catalan derby, and a Basso are the Nou Camp. And no message Xavi Eddie at Barcelona supporters anymore. Won't mean anything, but see ya now Betty. The lost ball. Say the Barca see bomb game no. How they want to dominate the passing, the possession, and the precision no, and then in Aira. And so Celta Vigo midfield of Renato Tapiamo. Now, what to me dominating play against Barcelona with Sergio Busquets, Frankie de Jong, Ricky Puig, and Gavi Modia. No one who said Openino or where Jumba. So, what's here? The technical director of our side, or to have your personality, no, sad or they both did it in our side. He started with a 4-back, 4-3-3, and later changed to a 3-4-3. And only had the Xavi Hernandez Edeba in Barcelona. So, Joe Macau has said he's the man to stabilize the ship. But for me, I'm not expecting so much. Barcelona person almost started and built from the scratch. A lot of La Masia graduate in the squad, and they feel say a former student because he free total football in Ronald Koeman now fail here and then they are Babe Fatifitaka. So from a student of Johan Cruyff to a student of Pep Guardiola, yeah, Babe Shedi Xavi ebitim diaba. For me, he will need time, he will need quality for Sergio to build because the expectation of Barcelona are no thing. Kiki Satiana and Timi and yet. Sergi Bagua now no coaching now no abasa e say try omo later Celta Vigo kote ye no Javi making a debut for the Barcelona team the first match against Valencia no na Sergi Bagua na ebobi already odi kan ka say physio fo ni miye no omo kote na chire because Sergio Mecano had the last time say yen hwe the injury situation of Atletico Madrid under Professor Ortega yen hwe the injury situation of Real Madrid under Antonio Pintus. These are technical or physical heads or munimde and they are world class. Until Javi didn't cross for back and said, "Joe, Barcelona can only hope Javi can quickly turn around. On turning around, see about the Champions League. But for me, the DNA, the identity, the philosophy, and you said Javi beat me the Abba, and with time, Barca can move on and probably take her to the promised land." So only go as to say. Opening a friend Antonio Conte ni because all Atletico Madrid he complained of baby our born so umpe because Diego Pablo Simeone Soraya ultimately they call elect wing back ultimately they holding play ultimately they call right side ultimately they ball behind the striker and actually how they would go the Paulo Bande now share and near my coach in the show park and so now that be BHS Saul will not be part of the scheme of things for Atletico Madrid. Into a chassis or casa because now go into the books. Nasa players no umde omokobo or San Siro elusu to Real Madrid no. Se Juan Fran moko, se Gabi moko, se Felipe Luis moko, se Diego Godin money Courtois moko dia. He felt saying at least the leaders within the ranks no. Nka o yi koke resurrection. Now the John Black ba at least nka o betimi ama branch Fene Saul say he's part of the leaders. But opening so chair say the scheme of things for this season a bad him Diama Saul. Then he came to Chelsea. About Chelsea, the first game of boy was the game against Aston Villa. And said, "Yo, in the first half, we are and open your friend Thomas Tuchel in frame. Olusu ball and come 10. Or your fouls 3 in the first 45 minutes. The aggression, the pace of the EPL, not Saul into me in the first game. And in all, out of the 13 games at Chelsea, Abono. Saul above 238. In the last 2 games, no, our boy and Sergio will make it 2 minutes for Chelsea. Saul believes that the quality wasn't going more game time. But then, who go into the room of Chelsea, no more rank here. Saul is the last midfielder that Thomas Tuchel consider. Until N'Golo Kante, Jorginho, Matthew Kovacic, Rose Barkley, and Loftus-Cheek. The last game of Mobile against Burnley, no, about Rose Barkley. The last time was Loftus-Cheek. Where is Saul Diguez? The Spanish I will be able to say he's combined with the passing range and the defensive football. No, Opa and Sergio until the pace, and he's yet to adapt to the style of Thomas Tuchel and the style of the EPL. Into more yet in the amount. And as Saul Ekasa Basajo, so you player now bar you must accept, sit back, train hard, try to adapt, and make sure say system no open no bet me abo. So be a chef Fabinho. Ofi the French League and Mbappe PM Liverpool. The first game is a boy and said you na ni kana esre na na areho na na obesre no kwa, but with time he was able to adapt. Just after the first game of boy against Aston Villa no, Daily Mail for Couture said shameful and rubbish. Headline on the man Saul no. And the Chelsea for him results they can experiment. Now no experiment against Burnley na amfa. And Manchester United lusu, Liverpool lusu. And come team but unfortunately it ended in a draw. Until Thomas Tuchel cannot experiment. Until Saul adapt. Until Saul better start until Saul be fitted to the pacing nature of the Premier League. No, say Anna Saul be on tum says do. Running crab and corner beat me at China Destiny or Chelsea. But for now, Chelsea are in the driving seat. They are second in the group in the Champions League. They are first in the EPL. They have quality in their midfield, and that has always been the bound. And their engine room already dominated play against better opposition. And easy, says Joe. Obey all tower taxes at this particular point in time. Abra season until he adapts, said Joe, he will always going to play from the periphery. Until Saul Nyakasano, no training. Only gonna source care.
Me one person I'm saying hunu pa ye pa ba oba ye shada hunu Saul na
Sergio me
tin oba na problem we ye shada hunu.
I belong to the group which feels Saul is a very good player. Maybe Ginidi, but baby at Chelsea dynasty in the first game na anko yi ni mhwe I was even surprised. Obo ne Matthew Kovacic.
It took a fault.
Seriously,
took a fault.
So Obo double 8 no seriously. Saul, he has played with Rodri, he has played with Thomas Partey, Oni Gabi Fernandez abo. He has played with an all-round midfield. On your player Albeka say, ono they are fixed into a certain people.
Then start his game.
Oh, said you Saul quality no. Aston Villa am so. This is a player who has played the Madrid derby with ease. This is a player who has played in the UEFA Champions League final. This is a player who has played in the Europa League final several times. This is a player who has played in the European Super Cup finals. He has played with the very best of materials. The goal against Bayern Munich, it's still fresh in my memory. What is Aston Villa? Mark James won a bomb midfield. Douglas Lewis won a bomb midfield. I agree he failed on the day. But if you have a midfield of Mark James and Douglas Lewis, none of those players come close to Abrante Fede Saul. He's a quality player. But Joe, adaptation there ain't easy to adapt. Where is Rafael Varane now? He's here to adapt to the EPL. Until I'm a car Fabinho Diano. Because Rafael Varane at the age of 25, no at the Champions League 3, he has won the World Cup, he has won everything. He came to Manchester United and he's struggling to adapt. Felipe Coutinho, Eden Hazard are still struggling to adapt to the standard of the Spanish La Liga. Okay. And he said, Joe, we can only give Saul time. But unfortunately, baby will see a kind of time because results and matter. They don't adore mediocrity, you'll be fired. Only when I saw Chama Nemranti any day off. Now you know meaning Sanope what me see days off.
Very weak.
Weak. Now you see players in Tiati. What can Ferdinand and seven and I won't kind. I say be a young pam coach no. Say the
na no mujina de
you say o say young pam coach no. Or say there's no identity, there's no progression. Coach ne sans or say players no slow coach no. Or say example say Beckham Rangis. Beckham is a superstar. Rangis an achiever of the Manchester United ranks. Omo class omo bobo la omo Ferguson omo ntime jockey. Because we jockey at the next match we sit on the bench. But so Manchester United team with their also put bank on call left no right, or because they are not afraid of the coach. The only solution to their problem now is to sack Ole. Okay. That is from Leo Ferdinand. This off no players in Tiasie, but to do on Tiasie. My name is Tony Benya picture na ne bag bonnet cracker na okona. You don't with their picture na. Obisi o maybe one. Okona. Say they need days off. Yeah. Because international break, you know, every breaking next week. By Tuesday, back with the say you all maybe
say we are now on the tournament. There's a bag in the nose.
Okay.
When you free team,
yeah. Almost say one thing Manchester City supporters not to almost say almost Bompire see a Bema only contract to 2025, and I know Esha when I say I know can stadium one. So do for me. I agree with the days off. It didn't make
play the 2 years capture. You play the 2
So do the United players need days off. Abrabo sanity. So while crowd the pim so be na year. So to see it me could leave continent by 1 week now they are refresher or program for the whole year. And name who say to me and name who say uncle ye. Opeso Babaka, idea and also ye setting low posts within you find solution to that into Babaka, you come back stronger. A Nipa international break here save the pie only. Because the next Manchester United game in a way, unim dia better no. Again, the mentality of the players. And the losing is part of the Manchester United player DNA. Because in Kukwa Komwa, they don't know when Obobe make amends within their play. It is a man coach this or days offer. For me, if you are a player, you watch the videos of the previous games. No Shaniama Enkoye and Famao. So when you come back stronger. Again, him as a coach, technically. Or evaluating Yama. Actually, how is he planning, how he arranged the disposition of play and his variation on the field of play. And when he come back stronger. Okay. But Senkene United or match weekend it is still going to be the same old story. Okay. So for me, the right timer, the mental set betimi ato omo bo asa hwehwe niemum find solution to this within a short time no for me time only going to associate the Oma continent because in Nkugo is part of them and said you don't know when they are coming back to start from the glory times so betimi are winning games but for now I'm with the coach say one more players in days of so I'm fan continent
okay mesa ba usubium okay